In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the bank feed view in QuickBooks Online. This is a simple tweak, but it can make a big difference in how clearly you see your banking information and how comfortable you feel navigating the software. Whether you're a business owner who just wants things to be straightforward, or you're more accounting focused and want a traditional layout, QuickBooks gives you two different views to work with. Let's start right inside QuickBooks Online. Once you're logged in and looking at your main dashboard, move your eyes to the very top right corner of the screen. Up there, you'll see a small gear icon. This is the settings icon, and it's where QuickBooks keeps a lot of the global options that affect how things look and behave. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. When you do, a drop-down menu will appear. In this menu, you'll see an option that either says Switch to Business View or Switch to Accountant View, depending on which one you're currently using. QuickBooks only shows you the option to switch to the other view, so if you're in Business View, you'll see the option to switch to Accountant View, and vice versa. Click that option to switch views. The change is almost instant, and it affects how your menus are organized and how your bank feeds and other tools are presented. You're not changing your data at all, just the way it's displayed. Now let's talk about the difference between these two views so you can decide which one is best for you. Business View is designed with small business owners and non-accountants in mind. The language is more everyday and less technical, and it tries to group tasks around what you're trying to do, like getting paid or paying bills. Because of that, some people find it feels a bit more cluttered, especially when looking at bank feeds, since there can be more prompts and guidance on the screen. Accountant View, on the other hand, is closer to the traditional accounting layout. The terminology is more in line with what bookkeepers and accountants expect, and the menus are more direct. Many users find this view cleaner and easier to work with when they're reviewing or categorizing bank transactions because the focus is more on the raw data and less on guided workflows. You can switch back and forth at any time using the same gear icon, so don't be afraid to try each one and see which bank feed experience feels clearer for the way you work.